So once again,
Can I get some water from somebody?
we do this every year.
Out your pocket, just in my
Every year, this is where we come from, right here in LA Sunshine, right here, DLB. Literally grew up on this block.
I'm tired.
We got cameras out here, video cameras. I wanted to make sure that I got video footage to show Harlem in a light that we might not have seen Harlem in a long time. There's a lot of positivity and a lot of love out here, and we want everybody to put the peace sign up one more time.
Well.
And once again, the video footage was really, it's gonna go in the new song, my new song, Holla Holla Harlem. It's gonna go in that song, but we're gonna start it off with the Stop the Violence chant, because this is definitely out of control for what I've been hearing. Coming back and talk about the youth killing each other, and that's not what it's about. Hip hop is about love, peace, unity, and having fun. So I want the hip hop generation, because this generation is the true hip hop generation. Keep the peace sign up, and I want y'all to help me out. When I raise my left hand in the air, I want other ladies to say, ow. Ladies?
Come on, ladies.
When I put my right hand in the air, I want the fellas to say, ho. Fellas? Ladies? Fellas? Ladies? Fellas?
Even though my pants coming out.
We're going to take it back into real old school right now in the building. If y'all still partying with us, everybody here, you over 40, let me hear you say, school. School.
Y'all sing it.
The roof is on fire. We don't need no one. Do what? Do what? One more time, the roof is on fire. We don't need no one. Do what? Do what? Let me hear you say, make money, money, make money. Come on, man. Make money, money, make money, money, money. When I say here, you say ha, here, here. When I say don't, you say stop, don't, stop. Hammer time.
Just want to see if you're paying attention. Just want to see if you're paying attention. You are paying attention. We're loving you right now.
Feelings for. Let's get some feelings in here.
Don't do that in my ear.
Hell. Where's Peso?
In the house.
See.
In the house.
Where's Tito?
Gorgeous Shorts. In the house. Gorgeous Shorts.
Brother Rule.
I know that. This is a little surprise for y'all, but don't get scared. Hey, Wolf D. 1 for the treble, 2 for the bass. Play that old fearless shit to rock this place. Turn it up.
Come on, come on. Oh, no.
We're gonna take y'all back.
You ready? You ready?
And I say it.
Who's this?
Tito.
What's happening? Now who's that? Who's that?
Peso.
Hey, no, Tito.
Rockin' it, yes he is rockin' it. Tito, rockin' it, yes he is rockin' it. Rockin' it, yes he is rockin' it. Rockin' it, yes he is rockin' it. We're all rockin' it, you should be rockin' it, rockin' it.
Doing what?
Rockin' it, yeah. Let me ask you something. Don't fight off us if you wanna rock with us. Our times with us, so with us, leave no trust. Get to the show, train, cab up us. 'Cause we're rockin' it, yes
Zodiacal signs of Pisces.
The Pisces, rock the house, Taurus the moon,
Rock the house,
all the Gemini,
rock the house, Sagittarius,
come and rock with us,
and Aquarius.
come and rock with us.
Come on, what's your sign? What's your sign? What's your sign?
Now, going one by one, individually we're bound to expand the fun. So bring yourself all about the man as we pass on. We'll begin with the first and then with the fourth. And we're rocking it, doing what?
Rocking it.
My shields will climb when I start to run, and I'm always guaranteed to be on top. You like me? You got good intentions, so in my mind, it's like a woman with this is the reason I am in first place. Anyway, I am the best on South and East West. DLB on top of all of the rest, and I'm
Rocking it. Yo, rocking it.
you know the runs are so bad when they come to me. I'll make you fans step forward and all the rappers please. Ask me about my skills when I'm about to show. To tell the truth, well, I amaze myself. And am I so good? I really don't know, but I know that there's no other right like T.O. and I'm rocking it. Rocking it.
Well, I'm the $1 million boy.
The million dollar baby. If you got it, I can get it with the wave of my hand.
He got a voice so nice, he never sang on twice.
He never have to explain because I'm so precise.
If you ever want to battle me, you better obey the mighty might CMC president. When I'm rocking it, I'm doing what?
Get right down to the bottom of it. I'm here to get you on the floor with the music and break.
Snuff it out,
Shake, bake, and round the world.
dance to the jazzy rhymes of this great.
Coming out from a wheel for the starting gate. In and all like a champ, you know so great. I may be last on the line, but I wanna be back. So get to see my rhymes. I'm funky fresh, but they're rocking it. Doing what?
Rocking it, and we're rocking it.
Doing what?
Rocking it,
We're rocking it. Doing what?
rocking it. Yo, throw your hands to the air. Just wave your hand in the air. And if you love old school, if you love the hill, well, the Grant, say Nick on Manhattan still. Say yeah. Say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Come on, somebody scream.
Yeah, we got somebody in the house tonight. Ray Vaughn, Johnny Watt.
Ray Vaughn and Johnny Watt, we got a- Ray Vaughn and Johnny Watt,
Feelings 4. Check out our new. Yeah. Club 7.